Morning children, welcome back to the English channel. Children, today we'll learn to find the cube root of any number in a very easy method. So for this you have to remember the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10, like 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, etc. Now look at the last digit. See the last digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 4. Everything is coming from 1 to 10. It comes only once. This is the most important criteria of getting the cube root. And look here, the last digits are same for 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. So you don't have to much remember the numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0 is the last digit for these numbers. 1's Q is 1, 4's Q is 64, 5Q is 125. So you are getting the same last digit number. And it is exactly reverse for numbers that is 2 and 8. See, 2 Q's are 8 and 8 Q's are 512. So the last digit are exactly reverse for 2 and 8 and also for 3 and 7. For 3 it is 27, last digit 7. For 7's Q it is 343, that is last digit is 3. So exactly reverse. Now you remember the last digits. After remembering the last digit, you just have to go. The first step is you have to check the last digit. Then you can get the number. Let's take one number. Let's search for a number. Let's rub all these. Yes, let's rub all this. Now let's write down one number. Let's take a number 7, 9. Let's take the pencil. Yes. Now let's write down the number. Take a color 79507. Let's take the, see the last digit is 7. We will find the cube root. So 7 is coming only for 3. So we got the last digit. It is should be 3. Correct? Because 7 comes only for 3's cube. 3Q is 27. So we got the last digit. Now ignore these last 3 digits. Second step is you have to completely ignore 507. That is the last 3 digits. You completely ignore. Now what is left? You got only 79. Now let's see, for this 79 you have to look after. 79 comes between 64 and 125, isn't it? But 64 is lesser than 79. So go for the lesser number, that is 4's cube. So we got the number as 4Q. So you have to write the number which is close to 79. More than 125, 79 is close to 64. Otherwise you can find the lesser number only. So the lesser number is 64. So we got the lesser number's cube, that is 4's cube. So you just write 4 and you got the answer. The cube root of 79507 is, yes, 43. We got the cube root, that is 43. If you understand once the concept, it would be more easy. You could find it within seconds. Just you have to remember the cubes of all these 1 to 10 numbers. Only this much you have to remember. Then you could get the last digits, isn't it? Even the last digit except for 2 and 8 and 3 and 7 all are same. All have the same equal last digit number. For 1 it is 1, for 4 it is 4, for 5 it is 5, like that. Let's take another example. Let's take another example 1675616. Now what we have to do? Find the last digit. Last digit is 6. So last digit will only come if the number is 6, isn't it? So we got the last digit, that is 6. Second step, we have to ignore the last 3 digits, that is 616. You completely forget. Now what is left? We got the remaining 175, and 175 falls between which number? Yes, it falls between 125 and 216. And 125 is the lesser number, isn't it? 175 is more than 125, but it comes between 125 and 216. So what you have to select? The lesser number. So 5 cubes. So you just write 5, 6 and you got the number. The cube root of 175,616 is 56. Just little practice and you can do it very easily within seconds. I can do it within seconds. So you people can do it more easily because you are practicing it every day. You are doing calculating the interest, isn't it? For calculating the compound interest and for calculating other things, for calculating the formulas, you need to get the cube root. So you can do it very easily. Now let's take another number, 474,552. Now let's get the cube of this, 552. Let's get, so the last digit is 2. So the last digit will come only if the number is 8. Isn't it? 8 cubes are 512. So only if the last number is 2 means it should be 8. Now we have to completely ignore 552. Now what else you got? You got 474. Now look at the number where it comes. 474, it comes between 343 and 512. So which one is less? Yes, 343 is less. So you got 7. So we got the cube root of 474,552 is 78. Easy. You have to practice it little. If you practice, you could see and just if you by heart this 1 to 10, then you can find it within seconds. Just look at the side numbers and find out the number. Again, I will tell you the steps to follow. First step, you have to look at the last digit because it comes only one. Second step, you have to find the number. In step, you have to ignore the last 3 digits. And in the third step, look at the remaining numbers. Select to whose cube it is closest. Choose the lesser number and you will get the answer, cube root of any biggest number. Hope you understand. Thank you children. Please like, share and subscribe.